Hello children, welcome to Math Park. In our park, today we are going to learn about factorization. This is very important topic for grade 8, 9 and 10 for all the boards children. Do watch till end to understand it better. So let's understand what are we going to learn in this video. So in this video, you will be able to factorize by taking out a common factor. You will be able to factorize by regrouping the terms, and also you will be able to simplify using factorization. Okay, so let's start. Let's understand what is factorization. So we have already learned children expanding brackets when we were learning linear equation. Okay, you can watch the linear equation part 2. So when we expand the bracket, we are multiplying by the term outside to the each term inside. So 3 into 2x, you get 6x, plus 3 into 5, you get 15. And then factorizing is the reverse of expanding. So if it is 3, as you have got 3 in bracket 2x plus 5, which is equal to 6x plus 15, what does this mean? This is what you are doing, expanding this way. And when we go reverse, what we are doing is factorizing. So 6x plus 15, the factors of this are 3 and 2x plus 5. Okay, let's solve some problems, children. So here a question for you. Factorize 5x plus 10. So very important, when we are factorizing an algebraic expression, first we find what is common. So common in the sense, what is the HCF? So we first find the HCF of 5x and 10. So HCF of 5x and 10 is 5. So you can see there is no x here. So 5 and 10, the HCF is 5. Once we have found the HCF, what do? Is we take out the HCF, okay, and then what is left we put inside. From 5x, 5 has gone, x is left, and from 10, 5 has gone. 5 into what gives 10? So 2. So if from 10, if the 5 has gone, 2 is left. So this is how you get the answer as 5x is plus 10 is factorized to be 5 in bracket x plus 2. Okay, so remember, we first find the HCF and take the HCF common. Now again another question. So we will be finding the HCF here. So what is the HCF of 2x and 6? HCF is 2. So we take 2 common. Taking 2 common over here, what is left? X is left. There is a minus sign. We put minus. 2 into what gives 6? 3. So as factors of 6 here, it is 2 into 3. When 2 is taken common, 3 is left. So what is left we put in the bracket. And this is how we get the factors of 2x plus minus 6 as 2 in bracket x minus 3. Got it, children? Easy? Okay, let's take another question. 6x plus 9. Come on, pause the video. Try solving it. Okay, check your answer. So yes, we first find the HCF. The HCF is 3. Take 3 common. And here you get 6x plus 9, the factors as 3 in bracket 2x plus 3. 3 into 2, 6x, and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Again, now here children, x square and plus 3x. So the common factor, not necessary that it will be always a number. It can be variable too. So the HCF of x square and x, okay, x square and x, the HCF is going to be x. So we find the HCF is x. Once the HCF is found out, what do? Is we take the HCF outside and whatever is left we put inside. So x into what will give x square? X. Plus sign is there, so we put plus. If x has gone out of this 3x, 3 is left. So the factors of x square plus 3x are x in bracket x plus 3, or x and x plus 3 are the factors. Okay. So just remember finding the HCF. Okay. So finding the HCF. Suppose there are 2 terms such that say this is y and y cube. Okay, so y will be HCF. Okay, suppose there are 2 terms that 3 and say 18. One is the multiple of other, so then 3 is the HCF. Now y cube is of course the multiple of y, so y is the HCF. The smaller is always the HCF. So that you have to remember, children. Okay, let's solve few more questions. Now 8x square minus 20x. So here you will have a number also and a variable also as an HCF. So we find the HCF of 8x square and 20x. 8 and 20, the HCF of 8 and 20 is, yes, it's 4. And x square and x, it is x. So if 4x is the HCF, what do we do here? We take out 4x common, and 4 into what gives it? 2. X into what gives x square? X. 4 into what gives 25, and the x has already gone out. So we get 4x in bracket 2x minus 25. Again, when we multiply, we should get the same. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into x is x square, and 4x into minus 5 is minus 20. So you can understand that expansion and factorization are the reverse operation. So that is how we get the factors of 8x square minus 20x as 4x into 2x minus 5. Okay, children. Let's take few more sums. And here is the question now. So till now we were doing binomials. We have a trinomial here. Again, the same procedure. We find the common, which is the common friend among these three. Okay. So 5, 9, and 12. First, we think of 5, 9, and 12. What is HCF? They all are the multiples of 3. And then you have to look for x square and x square. So yes, so x is common in all this. Y and y cube. So y is common. So that is how you get the HCF of these three terms as 3xy. Now we take 3xy common. 3 into what gives 15? 5. X into what gives x square? X. And y has already come out. So we are left with 5x. Minus sign, so we put minus 9. 3 into what gives 9? 3 3s are 9. That or other way, from 9, 3 is taken out, 3 is left. X has already gone out, y has already jumped out, so only minus 3 left. Plus 3 into what gives 12? 4. From x square, 1x has gone, so 1x is left. From y cube, 1y has gone, so y square is left. So these are the factors, children. Okay, just remember finding the HCF, what is the common among all those, and then taking out common and what is left in the bracket. So this is how you get the factors of 15x square y minus 9xy plus 12x square y cube as 3xy into 5x minus 3 plus 4xy square. Okay, one more sum. Okay, now here this is much easier, though it sounds like this. So what you have to do here, again, consider these two as a terms. Okay, this is a multiplication. So consider these two are terms. Okay, now in these two terms, what is the HCF? What is same? What is same? You can see. So what is same here is x plus 3. So the HCF of x in bracket x plus 3 into plus 2 in bracket x plus 3 is x plus 3. So x plus 3 is HCF. Now same procedure as we did. So if x plus 3 is HCF, we take x plus 3 outside. What is left from here is x, and what is left from here is plus 2. The other way, if you have to remember, just the bracket which is being repeated, you write once, and what is left, you put in the other bracket. So from here, x is left, from here, plus 2 is left. So this is how the factors of this given expression are x plus 3 into x plus 2. Got it, children? Okay. Now here we are learning how to factorize by grouping. Okay, so we always, children, remember, we always like to make friends which have some common thing between us, right? So let us see what is common over here. So you can find there 2x and 10, there will be something common, and xy and minus 5y also there will be something common. So what do we do here is we first factorize the first two terms and then the last two terms. We make the groups, we make the friends over here. Now, when we are factorizing first two terms, we look for what is the HCF of 2x and minus and 10. So 2 and 10, 10 is the multiple, the smaller is HCF. So 2 is the HCF. If 2 is HCF, here it is left x, and from 10, 2 has gone, so minus 5. Okay, from here what is common? Y and y. Y is a common friend. So this common friend we take out plus y. From here, x is left, and from 5y, y has gone out, so minus y is left. Another important thing, you will always remember, these brackets will always be coming same when we are grouping and factorizing. Okay, and as we have done in the previous question, so what is in the common? It is x minus 5. And whatever is left, we put in the other bracket. So 2 plus 5. And these are our factors. Okay. So what did we do here? We found the HCF of the first. We factorized first. And then HCF of two terms is x plus x minus 5. Taking that common, we got the answer as x minus 5 into 2 plus y. Okay, easy children? Understood all of you? Okay, now we will be learning how to simplify algebraic expression. Factorization is also useful to simplify algebraic expressions. Now here what can we do is, we first factorize the numerator and then simplify it. So factorizing the numerator, what we will get? So HCF of x square and x is going to be x. So if x is taken common, from this x square, x has gone, x is left. And from this minus 3x, x has gone, so minus 3 is left. And denominator is x. And then we simplify. So that is how we get the simplified form as x minus 3. Okay, so this is how we simplified. Factorize the numerator, divide the numerator and denominator both by x, and we got it as x minus 3. So this is a simplified form. Okay, children, let's take one more question. Again, we are going to factorize the numerator. Factorizing the numerator, what is the HCF of 15x and 10? So 15 and 10, yes, 5 is the HCF. So we take 5 common. What is left from 5? 15, 5 is taken out. 5 3s are 15, so 3x is left. Plus from 10, 5 has gone, so 2 is left. And denominator was 20. Now 20 and 5 can be divided by 5. So dividing by 5, get 5 ones are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So finally I get 3x plus 2 upon 4 is the simplified form. Okay, so we factorize the numerator. Then this is how we got the factors of the numerator as 5 in bracket 3x plus 2 upon 20. And then we divided the numerator and denominator by 5. And we get 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. And the final answer is 3x plus 2 upon 4. Understood, children? Okay. Let's take one more question. Again, we are going to factorize the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator, we don't have anything common as such. If we don't have common anything, we just keep it as it is. X plus y, let it be as it is. Put the bracket. And then from here, 8 is common. So x plus y remains. Now this x plus y can be divided by x plus y, and we get the final answer as 8. Okay, so what did we do here? We factorize the denominator because the numerator was already in the simplified form. Okay, 8 was the common factor. Taking 8 common, and then remember, it should always, you have to put a bracket for this. You cannot cancel this x plus y without putting bracket. And then we divide the numerator and denominator by x plus y. You get x plus y divided by x plus y, we get 1. And the denominator also you get 1. And then the final answer is 1 by 8. Okay, children, understood? One more question. Yeah, come on, pause the video, try solving it. Okay, so here you'll have to factorize the numerator and denominator both. In the numerator, your HCF is going to be x. From this, one x has gone, x is left. X has gone, only 2y is left. The denominator HCF of 4x square and 8xy is 4x. So if I take 4x common, x is left. 4 2s are 8 and x has already gone out, so 2y. Divide numerator and denominator by x plus 2y, x plus 2y. This x and x also divided by x, and finally we get the answer as 1 upon 4. Okay, so look what procedure did we follow. So factorize the numerator and factorize the denominator. On doing that, we divide the denominator and numerator both by x and x plus 2y, x divided by x, and x plus 2y divided by x plus 2y. Finally, we get the answer as 1 by 4. Got it, children? Understood, all of you? So if you have understood this and you like the video, do not forget to share with your friends. Sharing is always caring. Thank you for watching, children. Have a good day.